My name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and I would like to tell you this story that happened to me in 2006 when everybody was crazy to buy houses. And this is the story of the nice lady from Michigan that she bought a house on the internet. Let's start. A nice lady called me one day and she said, I purchased a house here, not far from you, on Margate, Florida. And I have a big problem over there, and I find you on the internet. I really appreciate if you can come over and give me an estimate. I said, absolutely, I'd be glad to. Next day I came over, I met the lady, nice lady over there. I'm looking at this beautiful house. And she said, I purchased the house, $45,000 less than the value market. And I'm in Michigan. And the real estate showed me a video, and I believe that the house was looking amazing. So I bought it. And I got the key, and I was here from 2 days ago. But the house smelled from pee-pee. And I said, are you sure? She said, yes, what you're smelling right now is all the deodorize and everything in the air. But if you put your nose here, she point with her finger 6 feet above the floor. She said, it smelled horrible. I put my nose, and I'm 6'2", and I put my nose on the wall, and I smell pee-pee. And I'm going all over the house, all around, and it smelled pee-pee. I gave her the price, and I told her, give me 2 weeks, and the house will be clean. She said, not a problem. I'm going back to Michigan, and when I come back, I hope so everything will fine. I said, not a problem. You have a good day. And I left. And she left too. Next morning, I come over. I treat the wall. I clean whatever it's necessary. I do my magic, abracadabra. Done deal. Okay. The lady pay me. Happy. Finish the job. 2 years later, somebody called me and he said to me, I purchased a house, and I would like you to come over and give me an estimate. I have a problem. And I said, no problem. I'd be glad to. I'm coming over, and the guy pointing 6 feet above the floor, it said, it smelled bad. I said, wow, you remind me of the lady from Margate. He says, smell it. I put my nose on the wall. Exactly the same smell. I said 6 feet, and it's all over the house. So I give the guy the recommendation from the other lady, and I took the job. And when I'm going outside, I saw the neighbor. And I asked him, excuse me, sir, how long you live here? You say, all my life. And I said, great. Can you tell me what kind of animal was in the house? And the guy looked at me like this one with a face, and he said, it stink, huh? I said, yes. He said, you have to see the carpet. I said, what kind? Oh, it's a dog. What is it? He said, they're having 2 gray den. They pee all over the house. So every couple of years, they're moving from house to house because it smells so bad. But they love the dog. The mysterious solve. Gray den, lift his leg, and pee in the house. Thank you for watching PetPeePee How I Clean Oriental Rug and listening to my story. Thank you.